you're experiencing the CS2 Cloud Save Error 2025, follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue and get back to your game. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saving. Step 2. Restart the game. Close CS2 completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the cloud servers and may resolve temporary glitches. Step 3. Verify game files. Open your game client like Steam, go to your library, right-click on CS2 and select Properties. Under the Local Files tab, click Verify Integrity of Game Files to check for any corrupted files. Step 4. Update game and client. Make sure both CS2 and your game client are updated to the latest version. Updates often include fixes for bugs and issues related to cloud saving. Step 5. Check cloud settings. In your game client settings, ensure that cloud saving is enabled for CS2. If it's disabled, enable it and restart the game to see if the error persists. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and enjoy your gaming experience without interruptions.